No cell service, no passing cars, no nearby towns. For thousands of drivers each year, this nightmare becomes reality. And when vehicle emergencies strike, you have minutes to make life-saving decisions. Today, I'm showing you the 15 critical tools that could mean the difference between a minor incident and a tragedy. Let's be honest, most of us aren't prepared for a serious vehicle emergency. We assume help is just a phone call away or that someone will stop to assist, but what if they don't? In this video, I'll show you the 15 most critical tools that every vehicle should have based on real emergency scenarios and expert recommendations. I've consulted with emergency responders, survival experts, and professional drivers to bring you only the most effective and reliable equipment. Some of these tools might surprise you, but each one could save your life in the right situation. All the products mentioned in this video can be found in the description below. Let's dive into the 15 critical tools that could save your life on the road. A harrowing story from last winter changed how I think about vehicle emergencies forever. A family of 3, stranded in a snowstorm, survived because of one crucial tool: the NOCO car battery. Jump Starter isn't just another portable jumper, it's your lifeline when everything else fails. With a 500 amp lithium battery capable of up to 20 jump starts per charge, it's specifically designed for gasoline engines up to 4.0 liters. But what makes this unit truly stand out is its comprehensive safety features. The spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection aren't just marketing terms. They mean you can't accidentally create a spark in dangerous conditions or damage your vehicle's electrical system even if you connect it wrong. The built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight includes 7 different modes, including emergency strobe and SOS signals visible from remarkable distances. Its IP65 water-resistant rating means it works reliably even in harsh weather conditions, while the compact 2.4-pound design makes it easy to store in any vehicle. When your phone is dead and you're miles from help, the USB power bank feature could be the difference between calling for help or spending a dangerous night stranded. Emergency response data shows that 38% of roadside fatalities could have been prevented with proper medical supplies. The mini first aid kit isn't just a collection of band-aids. It's a comprehensive 150-plus piece medical emergency response system in a compact package. What sets this kit apart is its thoughtful organization. Every supply is arranged in clear compartments for quick access when seconds count. The medical-grade supplies include essential trauma items like a CPR shield, heavy-duty medical gloves, and specialized bandages for serious injuries. The waterproof EVA case doesn't just protect the supplies. It's designed to be opened and used with one hand in emergency situations. Measuring just 6.4 inches, 4.9 inches, 2.7 inches, it fits easily under any seat but contains enough supplies to handle multiple emergencies. The clear organization means even someone without medical training can quickly find and use the right supplies, and the included first aid guide provides crucial instructions for common emergencies. Quick safety break. If you've ever been stranded and wished you had these tools, smash that like button. It's the easiest survival skill you'll learn today. And stick around, because the next tools might just save you from becoming the star of your own survival story. There's a reason why search and rescue teams call the Garmin InReach Mini their final lifeline. Using the global Iridium satellite network, this compact communicator works absolutely anywhere, providing two-way text messaging and SOS functions that connect directly to a 24/7 rescue monitoring center. What makes this device exceptional is its combination of durability and functionality. Weighing just 3.5 ounces, it's built to survive extreme conditions while providing critical features like downloadable topographic maps and weather updates. The interface is intentionally simple because in high-stress situations, complexity can be deadly. While it requires a subscription, it's a small price to pay for what's essentially a guaranteed connection to emergency services anywhere in the world. The rugged construction isn't just about durability. It's about ensuring the device works when every other communication option has failed. Survival experts report a chilling statistic. You might have less than 60 seconds to escape a submerged or compromised vehicle. The Simpson window breaker and seatbelt cutter is engineered specifically for these life or death moments. The double-headed carbon steel hammer doesn't just break glass, it's precisely engineered with concentrated strike points that shatter tempered automotive glass with minimal effort. The integrated seatbelt cutter features a protected blade channel that prevents accidental cuts while ensuring quick operation in panic situations. The bright orange anti-slip handle isn't just about visibility, it's crafted from a specialized compound that maintains grip even when wet or submerged. Each tool undergoes rigorous testing to ensure flawless performance in emergency conditions, because when you need this tool, hesitation isn't an option. Every year, thousands of drivers discover that running out of fuel isn't the emergency. Not having a safe way to transfer it is. The Gas Tapper Deluxe siphon pump revolutionizes fuel transfer with its innovative 8-inch bulb pump design that moves up to 4 gallons per minute. The 8-foot hose with anti-kink spring and retainer clip ensures reliable operation even in awkward positions. What sets this tool apart is its unique ability to move liquid upwards against gravity. crucial when you need to transfer fuel from a rescue vehicle or your emergency can. The multi-fluid capability means it's not just for fuel. It can transfer water or other critical liquids in emergency situations. The self-priming design eliminates dangerous mouth siphoning, while the chemical-resistant construction ensures long-term reliability. According to the National Highway Safety Administration, 34% of secondary accidents during breakdowns involve poor visibility. The EcoAngel USB rechargeable LED road flares redefine emergency visibility with 9 distinct flashing modes designed to be visible up to a mile away in clear conditions. The 650 mAh rechargeable battery eliminates the anxiety of dead batteries in an emergency, while the waterproof and crush-proof construction ensures reliability in any weather. The magnetic base isn't just about convenience. It allows strategic placement on your vehicle for maximum visibility from all approaches. What makes these flares extraordinary is their ability to maintain brightness even in extreme temperatures, creating a safe perimeter around your vehicle that could prevent a breakdown from becoming a tragedy. The breathable mesh polyester construction allows you to wear it over any clothing without compromising movement, while the 2-inch reflective strips are strategically placed for maximum visibility from any angle. The 5 multifunctional pockets aren't just convenient. They're positioned for quick access to essential tools and documents. The vest's design ensures visibility even in low-light conditions when reflective properties are most critical. Whether you're waiting for assistance or fixing your car on the roadside, this vest enhances your safety by making sure other drivers can see you clearly. In the world of emergency response, there's a critical saying, "What you can't see can kill you." The Bi-Sight rechargeable spotlight redefines emergency lighting with its 1 million lumen XHP 70.2 LED technology. The aerospace aluminum alloy shell isn't just durable, it's designed to dissipate heat efficiently, preventing failure during extended use. 3 brightness modes and an SOS warning light are carefully calibrated for different emergency scenarios, from detailed engine inspection to signaling for help at maximum visibility distances. The impact-resistant design means it can survive being dropped or knocked around in emergency situations. Roadside statistics reveal that 53% of breakdowns could be fixed with the right tools. The Crank Brothers multi-tool takes this to heart with 19 precision-engineered instruments in one professional-grade package. At just 175 grams, every component is made from high-grade steel and undergoes individual testing. The ergonomic design provides the leverage needed for serious repairs while preventing the tool from slipping in wet or cold conditions. Each tool is positioned for quick access and maximum effectiveness, from the hex wrenches to the specialized screwdrivers. The lifetime warranty isn't just a guarantee, it's a testament to the tool's professional-grade construction and reliability. The worst time to learn how to fix a flat is when you're stranded. The Awtown 68-piece heavy-duty tire repair kit is what professional drivers trust when they're miles from help. This comprehensive kit includes high-quality steel tools designed for permanent tire repairs on everything from passenger cars to RVs. The T-handle tools provide the exact leverage needed for proper plug insertion, while the specialized reaming tools ensure repairs hold even under highway speeds. Each component is manufactured to exacting standards, and the organized case means you can find exactly what you need even in low-light conditions. The included step-by-step instructions aren't just helpful, they could be crucial for someone making their first emergency repair. In the past year alone, tire pressure emergencies caused over 78,000 accidents. The Modari tire air compressor isn't just an inflator, it's a professional-grade solution that could prevent you from becoming part of that statistic. The digital screen with preset modes eliminates guesswork, while the auto shutoff feature prevents dangerous overinflation. Built with fireproof materials and incorporating advanced overheating protection, this compressor is designed to perform reliably even in crisis situations. The integrated power bank and emergency light features make it an essential part of any vehicle emergency kit. Emergency responders agree, having the wrong tools can be as dangerous as having no tools at all. The teal green 95-piece tool set isn't just a collection of tools, it's a professionally curated vehicle emergency response kit. Each tool is crafted from carbon steel and undergoes individual testing to ensure it meets professional standards. The set includes everything from precision wrenches to heavy-duty pliers, all organized in a compact carrying case designed for vehicle storage. What sets this kit apart is its comprehensive nature. Every tool is selected based on real-world emergency repair scenarios. The case's organization isn't random, it's designed to help you find the right tool quickly in stressful situations. I never thought I'd need it until my truck slid off an icy road at midnight. That's how Mike from Montana starts his story about the Rhino USA Recovery tow strap, and it's a story that's been repeated countless times. This isn't just another tow strap, it's a heavy-duty polyester lifeline with triple reinforced loop ends engineered for critical vehicle recovery. The weather-resistant and abrasion-resistant design comes from a specialized weave pattern that maintains strength even when wet or frozen. Its 30,000-pound brake strength isn't just impressive, it's essential for safe recovery operations. The strap's unique construction allows controlled stretching under load, reducing dangerous shock forces during recovery. Each strap undergoes individual testing and comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee because in recovery situations, equipment failure simply isn't an option. When winter storms strike, survival often depends on traction. The Snowcatina snow chains aren't just winter accessories, they're emergency survival equipment. Made from high-quality steel and designed for no-jack installation, they can be mounted in minutes when conditions turn dangerous. These chains fit tire sizes from 205 to 275 millimeters and are rated for speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, providing crucial traction in snow, mud, or ice. The quick connection system isn't just convenient, it's designed to be operated even with cold, gloved hands. Each set undergoes stress testing to ensure they won't fail when you need them most. The compact storage case means they take up minimal space until that critical moment when you need them. Emergency responders have a golden rule: always store fuel safely or don't store it at all. The Eagle 5-gallon type, one red safety gas can isn't your average gas container, it's professional-grade survival equipment. Constructed with heavy-duty 24-gauge galvanized steel, it includes a critical flame arrestor that prevents catastrophic ignition inside the can. The self-closing spout cap and OSHA NFPA compliance aren't just bureaucratic checkboxes. They're engineering features that prevent fuel emergencies from becoming tragedies. The funnel design ensures spill-free pouring even in difficult conditions, while the rust and chemical-resistant construction ensures long-term reliability. This is the same grade of gas can be trusted by military units and emergency responders worldwide. If you found this emergency gear guide helpful, you absolutely need to watch our video on Top 7 First Aid Kits on Amazon 2025. Because in a vehicle emergency, medical supplies are just as critical as mechanical tools. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with all our survival guides. Remember, preparation is your best defense against any emergency. Stay safe out there.